Today, I am going to be showing you how to build a cat photo app on FreeCodeCamp. We're going to be doing the first 5 steps. So this is a preview of the website that we're going to build, but we are only going to practice the first 5 steps to get a little introduction to HTML and CSS. If you're not familiar with HTML or CSS, these are the computer programs or computer language that is used to design web pages. So JavaScript is more of the back end of things, how the web page will actually work and function and all of those sorts of elements. And then the HTML and CSS code is used to design the web page. So let's get started. Here we are, step 1. HTML elements have opening tags and closing tags. The text for an element goes in between its opening and closing tags. Find the H1 element and change its text to cat photo app. So right here we can see the opening and closing tags, and the text in between says hello world, and that's being displayed right here on our web page. So we're just going to delete that and edit the text to say cat photo app. And there we go. On to the next challenge. Step 2. The H1 through H6 heading elements are used to signify the importance of the content below them. The lower the number, the higher the importance. So H2 elements have less importance than H1 elements. Only use one H1 element, there we go, per page, and place the lower importance headings below higher importance headings. Below the H1 element, which is our first heading right here, add an H2 element with this text, cat photos. So we're going to create an H2 element with an opening tag and closing tag. And then in between, we're going to write cat photos. And there we go. On to step 3. All right, step 3, the P element is used to create a paragraph of text on websites. Create a paragraph element below your H2 element and give it the following text. See more cat photos in our gallery. So we'll create the P element, then opening and closing tag. And we will insert the paragraph text, see more cat photos in our gallery. Okay, let's check. Great, on to the next step. Step 4. Oh, we're not going to donate right now. Ask me later. Commenting allows you to leave messages without affecting the browser display. It also allows you to make code inactive. A comment in HTML starts with this symbolism, contains any number of lines or text, and ends with this symbol. For example, the comment to do remove H1 contains the text to do remove H1. Add a comment above the P element with this text to do add link to cat photos. So they made this pretty easy for us. We're just going to mimic the example that they gave us. Give our to do, add link to cat photos, and then we'll end it just how it told us to. Pretty simple. Awesome. Now, step 5, our final step. HTML5 has some elements that identify different content areas. These elements make your HTML easier to read and help with search engine optimization and accessibility. Identify the main section of this page by adding a main opening tag before the H1 element and a main closing tag after the paragraph element. All right, so right here, we're going to add the main opening element above the H1 element. And we're going to add the main closing tag below paragraph element. There we go. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning about HTML and CSS and progressing through the FreeCodeCamp How to Build a Cat Photo App exercise. Thanks for watching, and I will upload steps 6 through 11 soon. Bye.